Hey guys, my name is Eric Musso, used car director here with Tameron Honda. And hey, I want to thank you for your recent inquiry on the vehicle that you have for sale. Whether it's a newer car or an older car, I'm interested in looking at it and offering you a number on it. Right now, depending on the make, model, and the condition, I'm offering up to 130% of Kelly Blue Book. I'm going to give you my personal cell number. My number is 205-790-3438. I'm located right here on Highway 31, right in the heart of Hoover, Alabama, across from TJ Maxx. So listen, it only takes about 15 minutes of your time for an appraisal. You can come by. If you're in the market also to trade, obviously I can help you with that as well. So give me a call today, Eric Musso, 205-790-3438. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.